Today, we're diving deep into a thrilling showdown between two of the most acclaimed street-legal track day tires, the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect and the Pirelli P0 Trofeo R. Let's find out which one takes the crown for the ultimate track day performance. Both the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect and the Pirelli P0 Trofeo R are engineered for speed and precision, but they each have unique characteristics that could sway your choice depending on what you prioritize for your track days. Starting with dry performance, in braking tests from 100 km per hour, the Michelin stops at 35.8 meters, slightly outperforming the Pirelli, which stops at 36 meters. This minor difference highlights Michelin's superior stopping power in dry conditions. In terms of handling, the Pirelli edges out with an average speed of 135 km per hour on the track, compared to Michelin's 133.7 km per hour. This suggests that for those of you looking to shave seconds off your lap times, Pirelli might just be the better bet. Switching gears to wet performance, an essential aspect for street legality and safety. Here, Michelin clearly takes the lead. The Michelin tire stops at 37.5 meters in wet braking, significantly ahead of the Pirelli's 40 meters. It also maintains higher speeds in wet handling, showcasing its superior grip and stability in less than ideal conditions. Furthermore, in aquaplaning tests, Michelin consistently outperforms Pirelli, both in straight line and curved scenarios, providing safer and more reliable handling in wet conditions. Considering exterior noise, which affects both comfort and environmental impact, the Michelin emits 68.2 decibels, marginally quieter than the Pirelli's 69.4 decibels. On the topic of rolling resistance, which correlates with fuel efficiency, Michelin shows a lower figure than Pirelli, suggesting it might slightly reduce fuel consumption, a minor but noteworthy advantage for the energy-conscious driver. In conclusion, while both tires offer exceptional performance, the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect stands out in wet conditions and offers slight advantages in noise and rolling resistance. However, for those prioritizing raw speed on dry tracks, the Pirelli P0 Trofeo R might be the way to go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.